And cut. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another vlog. I hope you like the intro. And if you're a vegan, I'm sorry. Okay, so last day we went to visit the event Chete Pute, which is organized in the Santosh Mitra Square Park or the Lebutola Park, and it was a food festival. And Mr. Sumit Gupta, who is my foodie buddy, joined me there. So the tickets were charged at rupees 20 per head, and we had the choice to choose from over 62 counters from the fest. And just as we entered, we were greeted with a bouquet of varieties of smell that you can imagine getting from any food fest. So from the start, we had the clarity that we will be trying out new stuffs that we haven't tasted or experienced before, and this place had so many things to offer. So, what we decided is that we will take a look at the entire area and see what all options are available and then select which one we would have so that we will know that what all can be the options that we can have in that little time and space that we had for that day. To be honest, it's not an easy task to think and select of what all you can have. And I must give credit to the organizers for such a well organized event, and that we food lovers get the chance of getting so many of our favorites and so many of the unique dishes from all over the city in one place. And yes, one point to be noted, if anybody ever asks you how a shawarma counter should look, it should look like this. Obviously, in this ocean of options to choose from, there were a few points where we thought that we should try some of these known ones because it was so tempting. But we had to hold our horses for the best food that we could taste that day. And I am sure that, like us, you will also not be disappointed by our choices because, yes, we waited and we scouted a little longer, but we had the best food to our full pleasures that day. Yes, the star without a name. This guy had literally everyone in his attention, and we were not apart from that. So you will find this guy multiple times in our video. Whenever we used to pass by him, he would be doing some stunts, and we would be recording, watching them, and recording them. So it was very nice watching him, like it was a performance of his own. I know this is already a literally long video, but if you are here, thank you for being there, because it is really a long video, because there have been so many places that we have skipped, fast forwarded, and finally we had gone and then found our first destination item. So it will be a little longer, and I just thought that I should be showing most of these places so that you also have an idea that the next time you go, what to look for. Most of these stalls repeat themselves, so you will know what all options are there, what all you can see, what all you can choose from. So rather than what we eat, it's important to know what all options are there. So finally, after a tough day at work, we found our first item that we really looked forward to taste was this Jugal Bandi kebab.
স্পেশালিটির মধ্যে ওয়ান অফ দ্য মোস্ট পপুলার কাবাব যুগলবন্দি শিক কাবাব।
আচ্ছা,
এর মাঝখানে এটা আপনি লক্ষ্য করতে পারবেন, আমি এখানে দেখাই। এই মাঝখানের যে কোটিংটা দেখছেন, এটা জালান্ধারি মাটন শিক কাবাব বানানো হলো। ইনসাইড মাটন, আউটসাইড চিকেন কোটিং দেওয়া হয়, যেটা চিকেন গিলাপি শিক কাবাব। দুটো কম্বিনেশন করে আমরা একটা কাবাব তৈরি করেছি। এটা মানে যত আমার রেস্টুরেন্টে তো পপুলার, যত ফুড কোর্টে আমি স্টল লাগাই, এই কাবাবটা আমার সব থেকে মোস্ট।
এই যে গ্রিন জিনিসগুলো দিতে পারছি, এটা কি মানে?
এটা ধনিয়া পাতা আছে ওর মধ্যে, আর আপনার হচ্ছে ওর মধ্যে আপনার ভেজ কাট চপিং করে দেওয়া থাকে।
আচ্ছা, এটা কি স্লো কুক করা হয় নাকি নর্মাল তন্দুরি করা হয়?
তন্দুরে রোস্ট হয়, বাট ওটা একবারে রোস্ট করা যায় না।
আচ্ছা।
হালকা আছে প্রথমে দেওয়া হয়, তারপর বাটার লাগিয়ে ওটা কিছুক্ষণ রাখতে হয়, ওর মধ্যে থেকে স্টিম বের হয়, তারপর আবার কুকিং।
এটা ম্যারিনেশনটা কিরকম করে?
ম্যারিনেশনটা তো 3 ডেজের সিক্রেট বলে।
নেই মানে ম্যারিনেশনটা নর্মালি হয় নাকি এটা আলাদা করে অনেকটা টাইম লাগে? ওটাই
এটা অ্যাকচুয়ালি ম্যারিনেট করতে 3 থেকে 4 ঘন্টা ম্যারিনেট করার পরে রাখতে হয়,
মানে সফট হতে আচ্ছা
তারপরে ওটা বানাতে হয়।
আচ্ছা। ওকে, তো এই একটা কাবাব বানাতে এভারেজ ডিউরেশন কতক্ষণ লাগে স্টার্ট টু ফিনিশ?
স্টার্ট টু ফিনিশ মানে আমাদের মেটেরিয়ালসটা রেডি করার পরে ওটা বানাতে আপনার 20 to 25 মিনিটস লাগে।
আচ্ছা, 25
and 3 hours of marination.
Okay, thank you. So we are going to try this Jugalbandi kebab. As you have heard that it's a mixture between inside there's a mutton kebab, mutton sheikh kebab, and the outer ring is reshmi kebab.
That's right.
Chicken reshmi kebab. So let's have.
Okay, my initial thoughts are that the smoky flavor is indeed there, and once you take a bite, the mutton and the chicken separates, and the both distinct flavors are present in the kebab. It could have been a little more juicier.
Exactly, that was my point.
Which one? Left or right? Take it. Thank you. Thank you.
So after finishing our starter course, we headed towards to find the main course. And this was another long task for us, but we had a few things in mind. So let's see what we had in our main course. You may have already understood that yes, this is what we decided to have in our main course. This is a slow cooked bamboo biryani. Just to tell you about a little bit, this biryani is already cooked, pre-cooked, I think 80 or 90%, and then it is given in the bamboo to add the flavor or the richness of the bamboo and the scent actually. And it costed us 180 rupees, but I am not sure if this is the price you will get in the restaurant. It will be much more because two pieces chicken and some just amount of rice does not cost 180 nowadays in Kolkata. And to tell you about this, the biryani was a superb one and the chicken was super soft. We were unable to give our reviews on the camera because there was too much background noises and I did not wanted your ears to get blasted. So you can see from Sumit's face, he is very happy, and because the chicken is soft, it makes us happier.
রেসিপি একটা বইতে আছে দারুণ মেঘলার বক্তব্য এবং সেটা যদি বাড়িতে নিয়ে যাও তারপর মাকে বা নিজে যদি বানানো শেখো কি করো তুমি
अगर आप थोड़ा समझाइए कि इसका स्पेशलिटी क्या है और
समझाओ
मतलब इसका यूएसपी क्या है?
বউ বানিয়ে দেবে
इसका जो यूएसपी है इसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स में है। ये कश्मीरी मसाला आता है वो स्पेशली उसका ये बनता है। दिस हैज अ वेरी यूनिक टेस्ट।
अच्छा ओके, तो मतलब नॉर्मल मटन में और इसमें मैरिनेशन में भी बहुत फर्क होता है?
यस, मेन तो जो है वो
Marination में।
स्पाइसेस का खेला होता है
अच्छा अच्छा
इसमें ये।
अच्छा, और इसके बाद क्या स्लो कुक होने के बाद यहाँ पे डलता है?
यस,
अच्छा
दिस हैज बीन स्लोली कुक्ड एंड उसके बाद फिर तवा में जो ये लोहा का तवा में बन रहा है
हाँ, हाँ।
ना, इसका भी फ्लेवर जाएगा इसमें।
ফলটা সব
अच्छा ओके होल डे का मैरिनेशन?
नहीं, 2 आवर्स।
2 आवर्स ओके, और वो भी सेम?
তুমি দাও না একটা
ये भी सेम है सर। ये पहले हमने चिकन को तंदूर में रोस्ट किया हुआ है।
अच्छा
उसके बाद इसको यहाँ पर करके
इसमें भी वो
बनाया
तवा का
Yes.
तवा का स्मेल आ रहा है। तो ये जो काला तवा होता है सिल्वर, इसमें भी डिफरेंस आता है क्या?
यस यस, इसमें अच्छा
मतलब ये
इसमें जो
चिकन
है
हाँ,
इसमें ऑलरेडी हमने तंदूर का फ्लेवर दे दिया है।
अच्छा
फ्लेवर आएगा ये वाले तवा में। लोहा का तवा है ना, उसमें जो बन रहा है चीज उसका फ्लेवर आएगा।
अच्छा ओके, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू।
Special thanks to them for giving us the special tips on how these are made. though it should not be even 40% of how it's made. But both me and Sumit are fans of this mutton. This is the best we had.
This is a mutton curry that we ordered from Rangla, Punjab, and apparently we are in love with it. And I get to try this juicy bit.
So if you have never tried or never know what a Kobiraji is, this is how a Kobiraji is made. And if you have never tried, I would request you to give it a try at least once. It's quite a heavy dish, I must warn you. And it's, as you can see, made with a lot of love and a lot of oil. So after our main course, we thought of having some light snacks before we head out for the desert, and that was the worst decision. It was like, why? You will understand. So we saw that they are selling prawn and chicken fuchkas, and we thought, what the is
I
that?
don't know what this
So
is.
we ordered a
Bangladesh or
combo,
Bangladesh is this?
and you
What
can
is
see
this?
our verdict right
Tomato,
here.
chicken. I think it's chicken.
Chicken, हाँ chicken.
Cheers.
Cheers. Same review. ये पूरी
Fucking sandwich in my puchka.
Please stop mixing fuchka in everything. ये होगा बांग्लादेशी.
Let's go for this. Let's keep the prawn. Cheers.
कुछ तो था.
Chickpeas.
चिकपीस ही था. आलू
What
काबली
is,
था
what
शायद.
is Bangladeshi about it?
I don't know. आलू काबली लग रहा था. चलो हम लोगों का लास्ट है.
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. चिंगड़ी prawn. The speciality of Khai Khai or what? Chetepute
Chetepute.
का. No.
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 No. Oh. Oh. Is there raw chimney and coconut that I've tasted?
No. As Sumit rightly pointed, chingri and puchka,
I like to keep my chingris and puchkas away from each other.
and they are two candidates who should not be married.
No.
Please keep the world a better place.
Their kundalis don't match.
No way, no way. Don't try it. Don't try.
I'm wiping my face with the tissue and wiping off this dish as well.
Though I was already more than full capacity that day, I was in nowhere in a position to have a Kobiraji, but my foodie friends' foodiness woke up and we had tried this. This was not bad, this was a good one, but we did not review it because Kobiraji is Kobiraji. And finally, the sweetest dish of the day, the baked rasgulla from Felu Modak. And we thought of taking this selfie because Sumit was so happy after he had this, and it was my recommendation. So he returned me the favor by suggesting me this pan. I am not a pan person, but the way this outlet looked, एक try तो बनता था, and the pan that I had, I'll show you in the end. But these are so coolly decorated. I was so impressed with the amount of thought that have gone to these color combinations and how they will look, and the background, even the background cloth. So I tried this choco chip nutty pan. It was super. So Sumit, scores are equal. So that was our visit to the Chetepute Khao Festival 2021. I really enjoyed it. Thanks for Sumit to stop by and partnering me on this. So till the next time, goodbye.